Here at Byerly, one of the things we always tell our customers about is the importance of protecting your vents from unwanted pests and the costly repairs that they can bring with them. Something as simple as this. A Valterra bug screen can save you hundreds of dollars in repairs from unwanted pests making home in your furnace, water heater, or refrigerator vents. Made from a heavy-duty stainless steel, the screens come in a variety of shapes and sizes, all of which are made for specific applications. Easy to install. Simply use the included tool to attach metal spring fasteners to the bug screen and to an anchor point on your vent. To stay up to date on all our latest videos, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also like and follow us on Facebook to stay up to date on any upcoming events, promotions, and news.